Many of us may like to pin particular Chrome profile to Taskbar for easy access, as you may need this profile frequently, so let's look how to do this. First of all, let's open Chrome browser. You may get your profile here. Click on any profile you want. Click on Profile at the top and then click on Settings icon as shown here. You will get same list of your Chrome profile. Click on 3 dots next to profile you want to add to Taskbar. Next, click on Edit. Scroll down to the bottom and then toggle on for Create a desktop shortcut on your device to access directly to this profile. Now this profile will appear on the desktop as shown here. Now to pin this profile to desktop, you have to right-click on the profile and then select Pin to Taskbar option as shown here. Now you have profile on the taskbar. You can click on this Chrome profile directly to open Chrome for that profile. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.